Yo, I think we're live again. Welcome back. Let's go. There's so much going on my screen right now. I just turned the live stream off temporarily to figure out how to live stream to X and YouTube. Because someone told me to go check X. So here we are. We're on X now. It says 49 viewers, but I don't know if that's true. How do I view the chat? Yo. Oh, we are. Hello, hello, hello. How does it sound? Does it sound good? Can you even hear? Oh, you can't even hear the music, huh? Can you hear the music? No, you can't. It's not being picked up. Oh boy, there are things everywhere right now because I've got two streams. Bear with me. This is all new. Ay, ay. I can hear music, but you guys can't, huh? Dashboard channels, chat. Ah, there we go. Okay, I can see the chat. What's up, Ritik Roneher? Tell me if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Ben Oaks. What's up, my guys? This is sick. This is awesome. Properties. I really want this to pick up the sound. Let me try adding another source. Remove. Yes. Yeah, you can hear me, but I want you to be able to hear the music. How's that? Are the audio levels okay? I've got a food delivery order arriving in like well, any minute now, I think. So I just wanted to get this set up. What is going on, people? We're Vibecoding. Vibecoding is startup to $10,000 a month. SuperX. Oh, this is dope. This is sick, huh? I don't see anybody live stream on X. Like nobody who's building stuff is live streaming on X. Why are you guys not doing that? What's up, Tanvir? Xavier. Again, if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, please tell me. Let me check this sounds okay. Xavier. Again, if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, please tell me. The sound sounds okay, right? I think it's good. All right, let's go. Let's go, baby. I just ordered some food, but I'm vibe coding SuperX. So, what's up, Ritik? Exactly. Appreciate Tanvir. That was the goal. I see people obviously posting on X, but I assume loads of others spent hours on their laptops coding and building every night, and you see the end results, right? You don't see the journey. So I wanted to be a little bit more transparent about that because why not? It doesn't hurt, right? I wish you guys could see what I see. I see the chat on my right. I've got OBS running everything in the middle. You guys can see my screen. What's up, Felipe? Remove branding. Upgrade your plan to remove branding. Do you guys see restream branding? Is that like on the page or not? No, I think it's good. It's so weird. I don't think I need to see that. I just want to see the chat. Okay, cool. Yo, Oaks, I'm gonna be in Thailand. I don't know. I want to move there for like a year. What's up, Jill? I want to be there for like at least a year. I'm gonna move there. I just need to figure things out first. My Rappi, my food order is 3 minutes away. So, are we working on Twitter, on YouTube as well? For like a year. It is. Let's go, baby. How crazy is that? That's so cool. We're on YouTube and we're on X at the same time. 171 people. El Guason. How are you going, my man? Or my woman? Or however you going? Alright, my Rappy just arrived. My Rappy arrived. I will be back in just a second. Some guys outside with my burrito. So give me like 5 seconds and I'll be back. Or like 30 seconds. Aye. Success. We're back. The new digital nomad visa, I might get it. I haven't thought about it yet. Because when I was there, it wasn't really a thing. Because I was in Thailand like a year ago. And I just did the normal visa. It depends. It really depends where I end up, to be honest. Because I might bounce between Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, that kind of thing. But I don't know yet. I don't like moving too quickly because it's hard to lock down and do work. But yeah, Ben, I might switch to streaming on Twitch and Kick as well. But I don't have a Twitch or Kick account. So, and also then I have to start paying for Restream. And I don't know how consistent I'm going to be with these live streams. So we'll see. How did I manage what, Oaks? The digital nomad visa? I didn't. Last time I was there, I was doing the normal visa. I was doing the tourist visa. Xavier. So I'm from France, but different companies hire me. Amazing, bro. When you start working remotely, for me at least, never want to go back because you realize the potential of the freedom that you could have, and it isn't. It's impossible. All right, okay. What's up, Jeff? How's it going, my man? I've not eaten enough today, which has been the trend a lot recently. You guys can't hear what I'm. You guys. Oh, we lost the music again. My bad. Let me add that back. You guys like the music or not? Let me add it back. Look at this. That might be too loud. How's that? Let me know if the audio level on the music is good. I'm gonna eat, but I don't want to turn this into a mukbang, so I'm probably gonna switch to the scene. And then we're gonna vibe code. There's this new feature that I'm building into SuperX called the AI chat. It's effectively Cursor for X. It's a controversial feature, but I know why I'm building it, and I believe in it very much. So it says there are 230 people in this live stream. Is that true? Is that like a live number? Is that actually 233 of you guys watching this? Because if that is, then that's so real. Like, can people who are watching this type something in the chat? Like, just say something to see if that's actually the case. Because if then the chat spams with messages, then I'll believe it. But I feel like I can't believe that there's 240 people in the live stream. That number's way too big. But if people fill up the chat, then 240 people. Like, I get it appears at the top of Twitter, but still, bro. The chat's not filling up, so I feel like maybe not. What's up, Dante? What's up, Ben? Bro, look at this. Oh, we're getting more replies. Look at this. Look at this burrito. The burrito. How big is this burrito? This is a big burrito. It's like $10 for a burrito, so probably the chat on X Live Mobile is kind of cooked. Let's have a look. Is it kind of cooked? No, bro. Probably the chat on X Live Mobile is kind of cooked. It works. Let's have a look. Super easy. Is it kind of cooked? I don't believe that there are 250 people in this chat. I'm just putting it out there. I think Elon is exaggerating. But if there is, that's dope. People don't use this, huh? People use spaces sometimes. I don't see people live streaming since they added the feature to X. And I feel like if anyone is gonna start live streaming, it's gotta be me. I'm building a product for X, right? I gotta test out all the systems. Then get out into the nooks and crannies of X. Figure out what's actually going on. Maybe we add streaming to SuperX from X. Who knows? Who knows where the future's gonna lead us? Yeah, you have to have premium to go live on X, huh? I also don't know if there are any rules. Like I'm playing music, right? But if that's against the terms of service, I'm gonna find out the hard way, I guess. See, I think the number 270 is the number of people who have seen the live stream. I don't think it's the number of people in the live stream. That's my guess, because the number doesn't go down. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Oh shit! I just saw that you subbed to SuperX, Ben. Appreciate it, my man. Let me know. My DMs are always open. Which AI function did you try, Hong Chen? We can test it. If there's a bug, I'll fix it. My DMs are always open, so you can send me screenshots and stuff of things that are not working. What's up, Edam? What's the hardest part about posting on X? I don't know what you mean by what would you want to see in the future? Future on X, future in my life, or what? Hardest part about posting on X? Probably being consistent. I think being consistent in anything is hard. But it's like a muscle, it gets easier. AI Rising X post. What about it didn't work? Appreciate you, Matt. Like if you switch to scene, let me switch over to SuperX. What part of the application didn't work? Because if it's not working, we can sort it out for you. Because you're talking about the rewrite. This seems to be working. Content Studio as well. Seems to be working for me. So if it's not working for you, I'll look into it. Just send me a DM if you can, Hong Chen. See how AI the Content Studio tweets are right now? Like, I'm gonna be honest, they're kind of AI sounding. Obviously it depends how you tweak this, but the fact that you have to manually go in and you have to tweak it here, I don't like that. Like, it's got an M dash in it, but if you use the new rewrite with AI feature that we've got, this one, this can be really good. If you give it an idea, it doesn't write AI sounding at all, not at all. So we're making a lot of progress on the rewriting with AI, and this feature that I'm working on right now, this is in localhost, is literally Cursor for X. It's literally Cursor for tweets, and I'm gonna post this and hopefully it will go viral, but you can never predict with AI with virality. Right, okay, that makes sense, Felipe. Even still, 295 people is a lot. But I feel like if you're building in public and you're not live streaming in public, what are you doing, bro? Appreciate you, Adam. I'm in Medellín in Colombia, but I'm thinking of going back to Southeast Asia soon. Hi. Extrovert. Who's an extrovert? I'm not an extrovert. I've been locked in my room for the last 2 weeks. I'm gonna write a post about it tomorrow. I need to get out more. It's funny. Right, I see what you mean. An extrovert maybe on live streams, as in I have energy to talk, I guess. I appreciate it. Yeah, I was always a really shy kid though. And it's practice, I guess. I was the shyest of kids. Like, I used to cry going into school because I didn't want to be around other people. I'm talking like when I was like 5. So, yeah, I don't like people generally. I'm kidding. I like people, but I don't like being in big, like really big settings as much. You know what I mean? It's not my thing. So I'm cool with groups, but it's not my preference. I have a limited social battery. I think I social charge by myself more than being with people, but I said I like being with people too. What's up, Matt? How are you going, my man? I saw you had the TikTok video that you shared today. It looked like it did pretty well. Where are we? Let's go see one. Oh, someone's getting shot. Oh, it's a firework. Yeah, bro. 13,000 views, huh? Yo, if you stay around long enough, Matt, I'll leak my environment variable file for you. But you gotta wait around to the end, right? Appreciate you, Ben. Or what we could do is we could do a trade. You send me your M file and I'll send you my M file. How about that? You should also give me access to your DNS settings. I want the real farm domain. Sounds good. How did you find Real Farm? Did you buy it off someone? What's the story behind Real Farm domain? I feel like that's a rare domain. It's like a shiny Pokemon card. Half of the world is asleep right now. So I'm surprised 300 people have joined. Jesus. $10, that's crazy. ROI on that must be insane. I bet someone would buy that off you for like 10k, 20k. Would you ever sell Real Farm? Do you have like an idea to exit one day or? What's up, David? $10 is a steal, but yeah, it's really hard to find good domains now. Like Mark had it good when he found the .st like unlock, and he just bought like everything fast, code fast, ship fast, data fast. That guy built an empire. In fact, it's funny because part of the reason that I started doing live streams, or I wanted to test it out like yesterday, was because I still remember watching Mark's live stream. Mark did a I think it was like building 7 days or 10 days or something like that, building a startup in a few days. And he live streamed every day. And he built this app called Hero Fit. It didn't really go anywhere. I think he closed it down, or it makes like negligible money now. But, or he sold it, I don't know. But I still remember there were like 2 people in his live stream. I was like, what the hell? I would message him and I'd be like, what the fuck? This was in August 2023. And then he shipped fast, and the rest is history. Crazy times. But since then, I haven't seen people live stream while they build. Obviously, I'm not building now because I'm eating, but I will very soon. This is what we're building. Is it? Let me try running it actually. The match patterns are blah 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 blah. This is my first time properly testing it. Bro, it still doesn't work. What the hell? API, angles chat, AI chat angles, index.ts. Can you check again the actual API calling structure that you're using in the code base? Because I think the roots are set up properly now, but maybe we're not calling it properly. Because I'm still getting 404. Yo, I'm down, Matt. I don't know how that would work. Would it work? That would be sick, actually. Wait, I should probably do this off screen, huh? Because everyone can join. Aye. I need to put, one sec, let me put my burrito on a plate because it's now turning into a smashito. It's a stacked burrito. Wah. What are we saying? Start an instant meeting. Let me send you a link. I need to hide the link though. Or it doesn't really matter, to be honest. I'll just reject anyone joining, huh? There you go, you got the meeting on screen. Let's turn the music down. This live streaming is like DJing. There's so much going on. Not that I know what DJing is like. Are we still streaming? Testing 1, 2, 3. What's up, Matt? How you going, my man?
Yo.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
It is. Let me adjust the volume. Because my music's so loud. I'm not stressed.
Hey, that's good.
What's up? I'm just figuring out how to turn you up on the stream so that it's enough volume. Can you try speaking for a sec?
Test 1 2. Test 1 2.
Let me just pause the music.
Test.
Yo.
Test.
I think we're good. How's it going, my man?
Going good. I gotta mute the live stream. There we go.
Yeah, I think so.
Going good. How is building SuperX?
It's good. It's really good. I'm building this like Cursor for X feature right now. It's not working yet, but it's bro, it's gonna be cracked when it works. Like I've not seen anyone do it, and obviously we need a unique selling point against competitors like Vibecoding, etc. So this is what it's gonna be. Hopefully, when it works.
That's really exciting. Is it like it's like a joint thing between you and I forget his name.
Tebow.
Oh, Tebow.
Yeah.
I don't know why I was thinking it was someone else. That's dope.
Not Tebow, but yeah, Tebow is away on like holiday with his family right now in Sweden. So.
Okay. Do you guys know each other in person? Is that how you guys like met and like want to work on this together, or?
We met on X. We met through X.
Nice.
Crazy. We've never met in person, but maybe one day.
Oh yeah.
But what about you? You shipped. Let me have a look at it. Pull it up on stream. You shipped publishing TikToks. Is this like a new feature or what? Today?
No, it's been there for a while. Except the main criticism with customers was that a lot of their posts were getting 0 views, and I was just trying to figure out like that's a big issue if like the whole selling feature is like to make videos and post them. So I was like just working through how I can fix that, and I just found a way to fix it and launch it today, which is honestly a really simple thing. But yeah.
Do you do the like warming up people's accounts or not? The US TikTok?
No. That if I did everything, I would be charging a lot more. That shit is hard, dude, to automate that.
Thing is, I also thought about it because I was thinking about it when, I don't know if you saw like a week or a few weeks ago, I was posting about it, trying to get it to work for myself. And I was thinking about exactly productizing it, but then I just thought if you figure out a way to bypass TikTok's like location thing, you're just gonna get a cease and desist letter, you know?
I mean,
TikTok figures out about it. It's against their TOS.
I don't know if it was, maybe it'd be a cease and desist. I don't really know what a cease and desist letter is. I mean, I've never gotten one yet, but no, I mean, yeah, if you're like allowing people to like create bot accounts, then it makes sense. You would get like shut down or something.
Yeah, I guess I don't know, but yeah, it's hard anyway.
Yeah, but what are you working on with SuperX? Like, do you guys split it 50-50? Like, or is it like one person does like 80% of the work, other person 20%? Like, how does you split the workload?
Yeah, I'm doing all the coding. There is some technical stuff that Tebow goes into because obviously he knows how to code. He built TweetHunter and Taplio, but I do like 99.9% of the coding basically. And then he obviously brings a lot of experience with TweetHunter and all that. With having done that, and he handles the distribution, but obviously I'm doing distribution as well. So, but yeah,
you've been posting all those daily updates, dude. I love watching them.
The videos
makes me want to keep going, just doing it.
It's getting easier, I think, but some days I really don't want to do it. I don't know. Some days like day 33, I think I've had a really bad neck recently. And it's like chronic pain, it's like shooting up the back of your neck, like pain.
Oh, really?
Which is really annoying. Not chronic pain, but like it's the kind of pain that is persistent all day. Like there's a shooting, stabbing pain all day. So it's really annoying. And I had that like really bad a couple of days ago. It's gotten a bit better. And I had it all day, and then I woke up too late, and it was night, and I was like, shit. And the lighting in here is not good. I don't have a good lighting setup, so I have to like look up white on Google, pull up like some white screen on my laptop, and then like go like this and shine it to try and get some light on my face. And I did it anyway. But I started doing like batches of 2. Maybe it's against the rules. I don't know. But
then it's not every day. You gotta like But what like that feeling when you're doing it every single day, but then like one day you don't do like any work, you don't deploy anything. You're just like trying to create an update to be like, oh, I did this, but you didn't do anything, so you just like talk about something else.
I know. I kind of had that for tomorrow's video. I filmed it today
Yeah.
because I always do that. I always film them the day before.
Mhm.
And yeah, I just talked about like the surfer's mindset. So, for instance, if I didn't do anything today, I'll say where we're at, like 1.7k MRR, and then I talk about this like idea. Like I don't know about you, I get ideas all throughout the day, and I'll open my phone and I have this notes app, this note document on my phone that's titled like daily vid checklist, and I just dump a bunch of ideas in there, and then when I have no idea what to film about, I'll have some idea that I thought about, like the fact that running a startup is like being a surfer. You spend enough time in the water looking for waves, and then you ride the wave, and then the next wave is going to come if you wait. And I thought about that, and I didn't have any ideas today, so I was like, oh, fuck. I scrolled and I found it. I was like, I'll film that. That's manager, but it's been busy.
Did you did you teach yourself coding, or were you like self-taught, or was that like you went to school for it?
I studied computer science for 3 years.
Oh, you did?
At uni, yeah.
Nice.
I was a software engineer. It was okay. I don't like school. I don't know about you. I don't like university, but I went straight out of that into software engineering. Like it was the obvious route at the time, and I hated it.
Yeah.
With all my life, being a software engineer in a corporate company, I hated it because coding is not my lifeblood. I don't think. I like posting on. That's why I do the like X, right? I do all the videos and everything because I like making videos. I like doing vlogs. I did vlogs on YouTube. I like more of the creative aspect. I like doing a bit of everything. I like doing some of the finances, etc., the growth of the product. But just coding and fixing bugs all day was not my thing. Like bugs where you can't even tangibly see something. Like, Real Farm is a perfect example of you build something, it makes videos, and you can see this as you're creating it, right? You update a color of a button on the website, and boom, you get a new button color on the website. It's immediately responsive, and you can see it as you're building it. But when you're like fixing RTMP bugs between live streams of like streaming, it was a video conferencing company like Google Meet.
Okay.
It's like, bro, it was there was nothing that I could see. It was just like, the terminal stopped showing an error. Awesome. And I really didn't like it. But they laid me off 2 months later, so I got paid to leave, so it was perfect.
Ooh. Was that part of like COVID, or what was that? Something separate?
Post-COVID.
Oh, it was, yeah.
Payoffs, yeah. 2022, I think it was.
Yeah.
Are you self-taught with code? Or?
Yeah, I'm self-taught, but
It's crazy.
Kind of similarly, I started coding in 2020, like during COVID. And it was like a COVID project. But you mentioned YouTube vlogs. When did you do that?
You don't see that? I did a vlog started this year. One of my 2025 resolutions was to start vlogging. And I planned to go to Brazil. And I was like, sick, I can do this. Like fresh start. I closed my agency because I had an MVP agency last year that I was running on X. But I didn't like building stuff for other people, especially because the more money you do, or at least this is my experience, the more picky they get. And so it was just, I was getting a lot of requests, and it was just stressful. And I was building other people's streams, and I was making good money, but I was like, whatever. So I closed it down, and I was like, I'm going to fly to Brazil. I'm going to start on my new SaaS. It aligned perfectly with starting to work on SuperX. And I was like, yo, let's vlog. I can't remember who I saw doing it. You know Desmond?
I don't think so, no.
He disappeared, and then he came back a few days ago. He's building Rise. Like, I think it's
Oh, really?
I'm not sure. Yeah. He's
Desmond,
making
I've never
shitloads of money.
I don't know.
He made like $1 million in the last few months.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Wow.
He disappeared to like build. Anyway, he did a vlog along with someone else. I can't remember. They started vlogging in January, December last year, and I was like, yo, I want to do this too. So 1st of January, I picked up my phone. I was like, boom, this is day one. And I did like some gym vlog, and then I bought an DJI Osmo Pocket 3, took it to Brazil, filmed the whole thing. That's why if you go on my profile, you'll see this like thing at the top. The pinned tweet is me it's just like a section from the first vlog. And bro, it was insane. It was insane. I don't know what it was. I think it was a story of me flying from the UK to Brazil. But Levels IO retweeted that tweet and replied to it. And I thought back lately, like after, and I was like, it makes sense. He's Dutch, right? And his girlfriend's Brazilian. So he has a lot of ties to Brazil. And I literally had in the tweet that I was flying from the Netherlands to Brazil.
Oh my god.
because it was
It's
my
like that
video
looks
as
like
well.
me. I do that.
Yeah, exactly. It's like a mini me, I guess. But anyway, and then the video went like kind of viral as well on YouTube. Got 125,000 views. I had people from high
Damn,
school messaging me and being like, "Bro, you came up and I recommended. Like, how are you?" I was like, "Bro,
that's
I
crazy.
hadn't spoken to since high school." And they were like, "Oh, I saw this and I thought I recognized this guy." And then I looked at your name and I was like, "Holy shit!" They didn't follow me on
That's
Instagram or
funny.
anything. I was like, "Yeah."
You
But
got to do another travel vlog, but going to Thailand. You're going to Thailand in a little bit, right?
I want
Or
to, yeah.
somewhere in Southeast Asia.
Did you see Tony Din's tweet?
Yeah, yeah. I
The
saw you
Hacker
guys'
House
exchange. I forget where you guys were talking about though.
or Ming Phuc? I think that's how you pronounce his name.
Oh,
The Hacker
yeah.
House in Vietnam. Do you see that?
hmm
You saw
I
that?
think so. Yeah, he tweeted out that he's creating a house and or
Exactly.
he bought something for November.
Yeah, it's in November. And I was just talking to my family because I haven't seen my family since like January, right? So 7 months. So I was like, okay, I was wanting to align to go and meet them for Christmas in the UK and Christmas and
hmm
New Year's. And we were talking on the phone earlier, and I was like, "Oh, what about Thailand? Like, I don't really want to go back to the UK." And they were like, "Oh, yeah, damn."
Yeah.
So they might fly out to Thailand, and we were like, "Okay, maybe Thailand for 2025 Christmas." And then as I ended the call and I came back to my laptop and I checked X, I saw this post, and it was for this hacker house in November. So I've applied. I don't know if they're going to come back to me, but like if they're down, I'm probably going to fly out and join the hacker house. I think it would be
Dude,
sick. It would be fucking wild,
either
right?
way. Yeah, either way, that is dope. That house looks so sick, and to be
Right?
around like a bunch of people that are like similar minded,
Like all of the
that's sick.
guys going as well. Like have you seen the guys going? Like Ming Fook,
No, I
Tony Din,
haven't.
like
Yeah.
like it's crazy. Alex Nguyen, you know Alex Nguyen? He does the TikTok. Orga
I
TikTok
think
or
so.
something.
Yeah, it sounds really familiar. Yeah.
He I think he's Vietnamese as well. Nguyen I think is a Vietnamese name. But yeah, he's said he applied as well. So a bunch of big guys on X. Like Mark Liu replied
Yeah,
and said like I wish I was there. That'd be crazy though, huh? I'm
that'd be
like it
dope.
seems surreal, but
Yeah,
maybe.
you gotta get Tebow out there too.
I know. Well, he replied and he was like, I can't remember what he said. He's like, oh, I wish. So I don't think he's not going to be able to. It's the thing. He's got a family,
Uh,
right? So
yeah,
he's got 2 kids and a wife. So everything's a little bit more
yeah. I
difficult.
wonder what that's like building like so many startups and but having like a family.
Mm-hmm.
Like he has like 3 kids.
Yeah, two kids, like one, yeah, 2 young kids as well,
Yeah.
and a wife. Fuck, I don't know. He's doing it though, huh? Like they're killing it with Outrank. Have you seen Outrank?
You seen
The
what?
numbers they're doing with Outrank, Tebow and Eugene.
No, I haven't. I haven't.
They're doing. I don't even know if they've updated it. They're doing like 80, 90K a month right now
Damn.
with
Like,
Outrank, and they grew it in like the last 6 months. Like 6 months ago, they were doing I think like $1,000 a month, something like that. I don't know.
uh,
Now they're doing like 800K, 900K
do you
ARR.
know that's like a lot of like meta ads, like influencer marketing, or is that like mostly word of mouth and like X, like organic
They're
posts?
running ads. I know. I don't know what type of ads. I just saw Eugene said uh, that he's paying like their expenses were like 25, 30K 1 month for ads. So
Oh,
I
damn.
imagine they're running on Meta. I don't know.
Yeah.
I haven't asked them. Yeah, they don't post too much about it. So,
Uh-huh.
but
You
it's
should.
crazy.
I need to get some info on this whole meta ads thing. I was trying it a few weeks ago, and I think it's been like not much, like $500, and like across like a bunch of different like ads. And I got like 20 people to check out Real Farm, but none converted. And I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just like it's just a trial and error of like going through the whole process.
Yeah.
Um, but yeah, I'm trying to figure out like well, how the hell do I even scale Real Farm past like organic stuff on Twitter
Yeah.
and word of mouth. That's all I've been doing. There's no paid advertising. Like, if I had that, bro, like
Bro, you would be insane. I think your product. You have like, would you say product market fit? Would you call it that? How's
uh,
your churn?
people like joke about it. I don't even know what that even means.
How's your churn? Like when people join Real Farm, do they run off or do they stay?
Churn's about 30%. But typically the most common thing is like people will, I think lifetime value is like $140
I think that's good.
per
I'm not
customer.
sure. That's
What do
good,
you
right?
say?
I think that's good. I'm not
I
sure.
think so. I don't know. dude, I wish I could know all these numbers. I know these numbers, but I don't know what they mean. Like, so I know some people are like super analytical with like, oh, like you have 30% churn, like this is your lifetime value per customer if you spend X per dollar on ads, and you get like, you know, the customer acquisition, like, you know, all those like numbers people can calculate. Like, I need someone to do that for me. Like, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just like making. I just like coding, honestly.
But you're making enough money, right? You're making enough. I know you don't want to talk about
Yeah,
numbers, but you think you have enough
yeah.
to like outsource to like. Would you pay someone to do this? Do you think if you could,
Uh,
if you found the guy?
Not like a full-time position, but contract. Yeah.
Okay, just
Do
maybe
you
there's
know of
someone out
anyone?
there. I don't know. I don't personally, but it's X, right? You post something on X, you'll get like 1,000 DMs.
Yeah.
People will be like, I know a guy. Maybe like one or two of them will be decent, but bro,
Yeah.
X is insane for finding people
Yeah.
in general.
I need to. There's just like this weird thing with X with like the whole build in public thing. I tweeted about it like a few days ago, or made a video about it, which
That
is,
long video was it? I think I watched it.
I think so. I think it was like
Where
eight
you were
minutes
like, I just
long.
want to talk to a camera.
No, it was like I want to build in public. I like doing that. I like telling people, like I like being open in general. But there are like copycats I have to deal with, which is fine. But then there's like, I don't want to like call a few people out, but there's like one person specifically that is just like every tweet I do, he does. Everything I add to real time, he does. Yeah, straight up, and it's
Is he
just
big?
frustrating. Like,
Is he like what range of followers does he have? Like 0 to 10k, 10k plus, 100k plus?
um, I think less than 5,000, but
Okay.
it's not enough for me to worry about him as a competitor. It's just frustrating, and
Yeah. Of course.
but anyway, I'm just like worried about anything I post. Like, oh, I want to do this. I'm afraid that like people like him are going to just do it before I do it, and
You
it's
blocked
just
him?
yeah.
Okay. But like you said, do you check on
100%.
another account and he still does it? Like, does he have like you on another account or some shit?
I would not. I
I'm
have
surprised.
no doubt that he does. I just
Jesus.
like he's keeping tabs on everything I do, and even though I haven't blocked, I'll check him like every like few days, and like I just tweeted that, and I see him doing it.
Which kind of tweets? Because I see your videos always do really well. Like whenever I see your videos on feed, I don't always see you on the feed, but whenever I do, you've always got like big numbers, bro. Like this important update, you quote tweeted something and got 43,000 views, bro, on like a 3-line quote
Good.
tweet. It's insane. 9.2k
That's
views. Like
good.
your numbers for you have 17.8k followers. Like your numbers are good. You know what I mean?
Thank you.
Do you know?
I mean,
Do you get paid
I
from
hope
X?
so.
Do you have creator revenue sharing?
What do you say?
What? Do you get paid from X? Do you have creator revenue sharing, or do you not have the threshold?
No, I don't. I don't. Dude, it is. I have like 4.2. I'm keeping track of this every single day. I have 4.2 like out of 5 million impressions, because that's like the threshold you need to get to accept
Yeah.
it or whatever. And
Okay, no.
I'm just like trying to think of any viral tweet I can make to like skyrocket that past 5 million so I can get the creator
That's the
rev
thing,
share.
bro. You
But
can't like know if some tweet's getting
I
viral.
know.
You just got to do the volume.
But there was a point like a few months ago, I was like, I had a formula for like viral tweets. And honestly, like there was like time slots. Like I knew if I had like a good tweet, if I posted at this time, it'll hit. And it was like I was right, like 80% of the time.
What happened? Did you stop doing it,
Yeah.
or did it change? Yeah. Okay.
No, the algorithm changed. I did it like like a week ago, and I got less than 100 likes. But no, it was like if I had a good tweet, I would post it at like Sunday, like 6:15 a.m. PST. Like that was for some reason, if that was the time to do it. Same with like Monday, 6 a.m. PST.
Mm-hmm.
Every other time it was like if I post a good tweet. Anyways, but yeah, it's trying to get there. But you have creator revenue share, right?
I do, bro. I get paid like 2k a month so far from it. It's
Damn.
insane. Yeah. I don't know what it's gonna be like on Friday. You get paid every 2 weeks on Friday. I don't know what it's gonna be this Friday, but we'll see. My impressions. I had a couple of viral tweets recently, but not in the last like week. We'll see. But even still, it's like I'm making at least $1,000 a month from X creator revenue sharing. It's insane. But you should be doing it as well. You should be doing it as well, because I can see 9th of July. That was 6 days ago. It was not even a week ago. It's how to create AI UGC images. You have it pinned to your profile. 132,000 views. 1,000 likes. Like,
Well, yeah, that
based
was
on the engagement. Like, it's not the views always; it's the amount of like verified people who engage with your posts. So if you're getting 1,000 likes and people are going through and reading your thread, I know it's just 2 prompts, but still, like, bro, you have this formula where everything you do is visual, right? You're creating TikToks and slideshows and AI images. You're in the perfect position to go viral. Like, and in my opinion, you should be creator revenue sharing threshold. But I understand the whole thing about the competitors. I've never been.
Yeah, you had so with that tweet, that was also really intentional. I was like debating if I wanted to post that or not, because if I posted that, that means like people can know what I want to do with Real Farm. If I add it to Real Farm, they can copy it too. But honestly, that was like my swing at like, can I hit the 5 million impression mark to get the revenue share? But you had a tweet.
132,000 views. Like, you do.
I know.
Those you get the 5 million impressions.
I know. I feel like I have like two more in my bag, but I feel like it's very specific to AI UGC, because usually like having that in the tweet does better. But yeah, dude, you had a thread like hit 6,000 likes like a day ago?
The Claude Code one.
Yeah, I think I replied to that, or maybe I didn't. I was going to, but I was thinking like I need to make something just like that. Like I got a thread like that.
There's this funny thing with AI coding. I don't know what it is, but if you like Claude Code Cursor, the topic of that is insane on X for engagement. If you look, Ian Nuttall, this guy on X I used to chat with.
I don't think so.
He's like doubled down on this now, being like an AI coding guy. And I don't know, you know Alex Finn used to be NFT God.
I wish I did.
These guys, they're both doing like AI coding, and the impressions they're getting is insane. They're getting paid like $5,000 a month, I think, from Twitter or something. It's insane. Yeah. And they're just talking about Claude Code, so and Cursor and stuff like that. So I think
I'm gonna do that.
The topic, because the topic is insane. Like, I had another post recently that was like a month ago. That was like, Cursor life hack: start every chat with this prompt. Like, thank me later, something like that. Got like 200,000 views. Like, no, it was like 500,000 views or something. I mean,
damn.
Who was this one? It got 517,000 views, 8,000 bookmarks, 5,700 likes on a 4-line tweet. It said, Cursor life hack: start every new chat with the following prompt.
No, yeah, it's like the whole bookmark strategy. Like, just if you can have more bookmarks when you have likes, you have a viral tweet right there.
Yes. Yeah, I also think people will leave this open on their desktop and they'll go and copy and paste it and try it. Like, so many people will like, let me try this right now. So what they'll do is they'll click on it, right? That's an engagement, first of all. Then they'll click on it to copy paste it, which is an engagement again. And then they'll leave it on their tab and they'll go over to Cursor and they'll paste it. And the whole time it's sitting on their X profile. So the engagement time is going up and up and up and up. And I think this more than anything. Like, it's the amount of time they're spending looking at the tweet at the end of the day. If it's like a quick bookmark and they go past, they scroll, it's like, oh, nice, later. I don't think it's as much, but I think there is correlation. There's a point in what you're saying in terms of if you get a ton of bookmarks, then it probably means what you're doing is likely to want to be like looked at for a while. But
yeah, no, that makes sense. Like, the longer the person's on the tweet, the more valuable it is. Especially if they click off the page, they just kind of forget about the tweet, and then the algorithm thinks it's really good.
Yeah, bro. If you imagine someone sees your tweet in the algorithm, they click on it because they want to go and select it and copy and paste it to copy the prompt. Like, they've engaged with that tweet way more than they have other tweets. That's what it comes down to at the end of the day for a viral tweet. Like, it's human.
Yeah, I just spend all day tomorrow trying to think of like a banger tweet or something.
Do it, bro. Do it.
Yeah.
No, that's what I'm trying to do into SuperX, bro. It's hard. Virality is hard. People sell it as like this gameable thing, but it's not, bro. There's so many factors. Like level 0, right? On my thing. How was I supposed to know that bro was from Netherlands and his girlfriend was from Brazil? There's this like additional human aspect. There are like so many variables that compound. But virality. The CEO of Cursor followed me because of that thread.
Really?
Michael Truel, yeah.
That's sick. That's really cool.
Billionaire, it's insane. So
you gotta slide into his DMs and be like, "Give me a free subscription,"
I don't know,
We're
Had
going,
some cursor stories slide
I'll
into my
tweet
DMs,
about
not gonna lie. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's insane because there's been this like war between Cursor and Claude Code recently, I think.
Hmm.
I don't know. What do you use? Use Cursor or Claude?
I use Cursor. I don't, where am I? Yeah, I use Cursor. I've never used Claude Code. That's just like a command line interface,
It is,
right?
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that.
Fair enough.
I like the manual coding aspect because a lot of times Cursor will just like, if I ask it to do something, it'll just do a million other things I don't want it to do. And I'm like, I need to dial it back or like reject like 80% of the things it wants to propose.
But that's why Claude Code like is better. Like Claude
Oh,
Code
really?
can do that half the time. Yeah, Claude Code is way better at doing stuff that you actually asked it to do. That's why.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Maybe I gotta try it. I haven't tried it, so I don't have a good opinion on
I would
that.
try it if I were you. It's weird. That's the only thing. Cursor has the better UX by far.
Yeah.
Because the way I have to keep management. The hardest thing for me to get used to on Claude Code was the like versioning, the Git versioning, because on Cursor you should have restore to checkpoint, right? Like in the chat interface. Whereas in Claude Code, because it's a command line interface, you have to git stash. You have to use like GitHub to control the status of your version, so you don't. There's no way of easily like reverting a change that it made. You have to actually use GitHub. But fortunately, it's good enough that you don't have to revert much of what it does. But
I gotta do that. But I want to keep talking. I gotta head off. My girlfriend wants to get frozen yogurt.
no worries, bro. You got priorities. You got more interesting things to do. I want to go back to Vibecoding. But it was sick. It was sick to talk to you, bro. We should talk again.
You too, Rob.
Soon.
Yeah, great to meet you.
Enjoy it. Likewise. Yeah, it's first time chatting. Insane.
I know.
I don't think about it because we've been interacting on X for months, but
yeah, we'll just reply to each other, but it's never been face to face.
Yeah. Where are you? In the US? Right?
I'm in Arizona. I'm in the US.
Okay. Super cool.
Yeah, born out. I'm not in like a major city or anything. So.
You from Arizona?
No, I'm from California, but I moved to Arizona and I'm still here. So.
Okay. Well, if you ever come out to Colombia or Southeast Asia, wherever I am, hit me up. Maybe
I'll follow wherever you are.
My MR up.
Yeah, we can go back to. You can go to Brazil. I'll follow you there. Go to Thailand. I'll follow you there.
Let's go, bro. Let's do it.
Cool. It was great meeting you, Rob.
Enjoy your frozen yogurt, bro.
Thank you. You enjoyed your vibe coding.
Thank you, bro. Ciao, ciao.
See ya.
Yo. That was cool. Oh, my. Why is my cam going weird? It was Matt Welter. He's in the chat, I think. How do I zoom this in? Why did that break? This guy, let me pull up his X. Let me turn the music back on. It's Matt, he's sick. He's building Real Farm to help you post viral content on TikTok and Instagram and stuff like that. Helps you build AI UGC, user generated content. Definitely worth following him. Just you can hear me, right? Yeah, you can hear me. Really? Can you do that in the chat, Chase? Bro, my neck is like disabling me. Oh, it's making me overheat, bro. Not so much Kenny, because I re-uploaded a video that I had on another account that was linked to Colombia, and I re-uploaded the video. I made that mistake and it connected the accounts because that video was uploaded on the other account, so it connected the accounts. So I made an oopsie. That was my bad. But yeah, I think it was working. It's just until I uploaded that and then I was like, I've got to do this again. I was like, whatever. So I've given up on TikTok because Instagram is doing so well. So I got 2,000 followers on Instagram, I think now. I'm gonna finish my dinner because I didn't eat properly yet. We should start doing this more, bring people on. But also I got a vibe code, and that's the whole point of the live stream, so. Yeah. What's up, Kenny? You're in Peru. I want to visit Peru. I don't know if I'll visit this time around. I might have to come back to Southeast Asia. Not Southeast Asia, South America. And visit Peru again. Like I want to do the... Was it Salinque trek? The one that goes to Machu Picchu? And visit Cusco. Do all the other stuff as well, obviously. That's the most touristy thing, but I want to see real Peru. I heard you guys have the best food in all of South America. Maybe even the world. I don't know how true that is. Appreciate you, Chase. How long, Ben? You might need to wait like a couple hours. The matching algorithm only runs every like 3 hours, and then it will pair you. Appreciate you, Chris. Jesus, yeah, I want to visit Peru, but I also want to visit loads of other places, so I don't think I'm going to do it. I want to go back to Southeast Asia because of the time zone and everything like that. So. But yeah, Ben, we run the social hub algorithm every 3 hours because it's quite a complex algorithm and it's intensive, so I don't want to overload the server. So. What's up, yeah? What's up, Nick? Yeah. I don't know where these people are coming from. It says 685 on my thing right now. But I was streaming on YouTube yesterday, and I was like, why not stream on X? A couple people replied to me, DM me, and were like, yo, stream on X. I was like, why not? Turns out it's a little bit complicated, but there's this platform called Restream that is integrated with OBS that lets you do two streaming channels. So I'm on YouTube and X right now. And the best thing is in one chat box on my screen, Restream shows me the X and the YouTube replies, so I can see it in one chat box. I don't have to switch between the platforms, which is really cool. Oh la la, 666. Reply to Boom. Anyway, I'm Vibecoding this new AI chat feature. Does it work? Did the AI fix it? Let me check. Chat angle, blah 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 blah. This feature. Think cursor for tweets. And I know I made a video recently that I posted on X. And it went viral, but like that was only the beginning of it. It was a quick line editing aspect of it, but now we're actually building the chat feature to build threads and tweets really well. Also, Nick, bro, I was looking at your threads. You have some crazy viral threads. You are a master of writing threads. So I'll be studying you to help train the algorithm. Appreciate you, Luis. Yeah. I don't know, 700 people is fucking crazy. Just demoing? No, I'm coding as well, but I'm doing it off screen. That's why I put this little text here. Because I don't want to leak any environment variables or code. So I'm only showing the result. I'm making SuperX Jai. Yo, really? Naval DM'd you, bro? Why did he DM you? I want to know that story now. I feel like you're not allowed to tell that story, but I would love to know it. Maybe in private, maybe you can DM me. Or you can not DM me, you know? Jill, SuperX is not vibe coded, but I'm vibe coding some of these features. But from time to time, I still get in the weeds of things if I need to. It's just more productive to tell AI to do the stuff, from my experience. So yeah, you can follow along with me. Yeah, it's wild. Was it actually Naval, or was it like his team? It was like, hey, I'm Naval, can you take that down? Or was it like, hey, my name's Jessica on behalf of Naval's team? Oh, I thought it was working then. Let's go! We got past the 404 error we were dealing with for the last like 3 hours. That's what happens when you're building a big code base. Now what we do is we copy the error and we paste it in, and the response. I'm using Claude Code markers. Let's go, Jill. Bring this together, baby. Claude Code is way better at following instructions from my experience. Oh boys and girls, we have an update. What I need to do. We should have this on auto alert, but I don't know how to do that. This. Time to update. Bing bang bong. Bye bye 1.755. Hello. 1.784. Let's go, baby. That's like another subscription, I guess. I'll take that. I don't know, Kenny. Probably not. I'm not making any commitment to these live streams. I'm just doing them when I feel like it. I'll keep making the daily videos, but not the live streams. I don't think. But one day when we're beyond like... Sí, entiendo, por supuesto. I want to be able to look back at this. These live streams when we're doing like 200k a month. You know? Like the good old days when I was doing 1.7k. Let's test this again. Oh. ¿De dónde eres, Kenny? En Perú. ¿De Lima? ¿O de qué? I agree. I agree. Yeah, I will make these education things on SuperX. I can't do both of them at once. I can. But if you rewatch my YouTube live stream from yesterday, I did it like 5 times. As people come in and ask. But yeah, I will do a dedicated one to SuperX. But this one's about building it, because if I'm not building, then nothing's happening. Oh boy! That was fun. See what literally all I'm doing is copy and pasting the errors in, and Claude is clever enough to figure out what's going wrong. I could do it myself for sure, but it would take a lot longer, and then I can chat with you guys and eat my dinner at the same time. What's up, Sia? Yeah, bro. X is crazy. I don't know why more people don't live stream on here. Like, what are you waiting for? The last guy I remember building in public on live streaming coding was Mark Blue, when he built HeroFit back in August 2023. Correct me if I'm wrong. I haven't seen anyone do it since then. I'm like, bro, why not? Everyone's talking about building in public. Do it, bro. I would watch your live streams. I want to put on some Bad Bunny. I feel like some more Bad Bunny again. I like this playlist though. There we go. Bad Bunny. Let's just play popular. I found that LATAM is a little more reluctant to tech apps and spending on them compared to the... Yeah, that's why I don't target the LATAM market, to be honest. That's also why I'm not marketing in Spanish. But 1000%, the economy is different, so... Like, the average user's disposable income is going to be much lower in Colombia than it is the US, right? Talk to you later, Ben. Thank you for subscribing. My DMs are open if you wanna shoot me a message about anything. Yeah, we're not marketing to Latin. Come on, come on. Let's go, baby. Do you see that? Do you guys see that? Let's go, baby. Oi. What happens if I click it? The value of experimenting. Showcase the importance of trying new things. I don't like these things. What do I have with my context? Marvelous. Borracho, que me ayude. Ay. Alright, let's actually try an example. Like a real example. Bebé. Y hablar mierda hasta que me expulsen. Estoy bien loco. Estoy bien loco. Cabrón, guía tú que estás caminando. Yo estoy que choco. Estoy bien loco. Estoy bien loco. Vamos a disfrutar que nunca se sabe si nos queda poco. Debí tirar más. Gente, los quiero con cojones, los amo. That's not bad, is it, guys? I think the writing can be a lot better, and I'll fix that. But like the actual functionality, let's see if it figures out what I'm doing. You guys see this? En otra vida, en otro mundo podrá ser. Te doy un día. Te pertenece. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? Do you guys see what I'm building? Do you guys see what I'm building? I'm sorry, but do you see what I'm building? La vida una fiesta. This is Baile Inolvidable by Bad Bunny. Viste tú mi baile inolvidable. Thank you, Kenny. Yeah, I'm down to see it, but yeah, I have the system. I don't think it's running it through the system properly. Like this is way better. Like, let me check. If I switch to Jack Frixer style. Bebe lo más que puedo. And now I'm gonna say, yo, I just built this new cursor for tweets feature. This is insane. I want to see if it captures the same energy. See, this is one thing. It's the angles isn't capturing the same writing style. Let's try this. Pensaba que contigo iba a envejecer. Pum, param, pum. En otra vida, en otro mundo podrá ser. En esta solo queda un día. It's not getting the examples properly. I'll fix that. So I'm gonna finish dinner first. I'll check it later, Kenny. I'm gonna try and use my prompts first, and then I'll take a look at what you've done. Like it's working, but it's just not using the prompts properly. So I just need to double check what it's doing.
Suena cabrón. Vamos a hacerlo otra vez. Como anoche, como anoche.
Oi. I didn't listen to Salsa, no. No. But I like it. You know what I like? I like this song. You know this song? Bum bum. Bum. Bum bum bum. Ba bum. Ba bum. Dum 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 dum. Da 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 da. Exacto, Barranquilla me quedo. I was in Barranquilla like a month ago. This is funny. Bro, the north coast of Colombia is so hot. I was in Santa Marta and Cartagena, and Cartagena is way worse. In Minca, it's not too bad because it's higher up, but in Cartagena, no, bro. I don't know if you heard about the story of the English trying to colonize Cartagena, and they sent it and they were like, yeah, we've got it. So they reported back to the UK and They got a bunch of coins printed saying that they conquered Cartagena. And then they all died off because of the mosquitoes and the heat. And a bunch of diseases. So they did not, in fact, conquer Cartagena. It's just too damn hot. Most Brits are not built for that kind of heat. But Medellín is perfect. Medellín has, it's like la eterna primavera, no? So, the climate here is perfect. But it's high altitude, so you get used to it. I don't know how the costeños survive. I guess they're born there, so. That's true, but have you been to Santa Marta? They have beaches, but they're not that great. Cartagena as well, actually. Like Santa Marta is really run down. But like, if we're talking about Tayrona, that's different. Like Tayrona is beautiful. I heard good things about Palomino as well, but I'm talking about Santa Marta itself. Let me put some more classic South American songs on for you. How about this? Do you know this song? I thought so. I love this song. Or, you know this one? Yeah. I'll be right back. Gonna vibe to the music without me. Alright, 2 seconds. Yo, what is up? I'm gonna end the stream just because I'm struggling with my neck and I'm gonna go catch an early night. But it was lovely spending time with you guys. We crazy that we hit 900 followers. It's absolutely not 900 followers, 900 viewers. Thank you for tuning in. I'll update you guys on the progress as per usual on X, and have a wonderful rest of your day or night, wherever in the world you guys are. Thanks for joining in, Chris. Kenny, I don't know if you're still here. Anyway, have a good night, guys, or a good day. Appreciate you, Chris. Ciao, ciao. See you next time.